Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful Zen story that teaches us the art of emptying our minds. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your thoughts? To-do lists spinning, worries swirling, anxieties creeping in. It's a common struggle in our fast-paced world. But what if there was a way to find inner peace by quieting the mental chatter? This Zen story offers a beautiful metaphor for achieving this, and we'll explore its meaning and practical takeaways throughout the video. So, sit back, relax, and open your mind to the wisdom it holds. In a serene mountain monastery lived a young student named Hiroshi. He was eager to learn the secrets of Zen, but his mind was constantly buzzing with thoughts. He yearned for peace, but didn't know how to silence the internal noise. One day, he approached his wise old master and confessed his struggles. "Master," he said, "how can I empty my mind and find inner peace?" The master smiled gently and said, "Come, follow me." He led Hiroshi to a beautiful cherry blossom tree in full bloom. Its delicate petals danced in the gentle breeze. "Look closely, Hiroshi," the master instructed. "What do you see?" Hiroshi observed the tree in detail, mesmerized by its beauty. He saw the vibrant pink blossoms, the intricate branches reaching towards the sky, the sunlight filtering through the leaves. "I see a magnificent cherry blossom tree, master," he replied. The master nodded. "Now close your eyes and focus solely on the sound of the wind rustling through the leaves. Can you hear it?" Hiroshi closed his eyes and concentrated. He became aware of the gentle rustling, the soft sigh of the wind. He focused solely on that sound, pushing away all other thoughts. "Yes, master, I hear it," he said softly. The master then said, "Now, open your eyes and tell me what you see." Hiroshi opened his eyes and looked at the tree. He saw it in a different light. The vibrant colors seemed softer, the intricate details slightly blurred. But there was a sense of calm and serenity that hadn't been there before. "I see the same tree, master," he said, "but somehow it feels different." The old master explained, "Hiroshi, your mind was initially fixated on the details of the tree, just like your mind gets caught up in daily thoughts. But when you focused on the sound of the wind, you emptied your mind and truly saw the tree in its pure essence." This story beautifully illustrates the concept of mindfulness. By focusing on the present moment, on the sound of the wind in this case, Hiroshi was able to quiet the mental chatter and experience the world with a sense of peace and clarity. So, how can we apply this lesson in our daily lives? Here are a few tips. 1. Practice mindfulness meditation. Dedicate even a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. Observe your thoughts without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath whenever your mind wanders. 2. Engage your senses when feeling overwhelmed. Take a moment to step away and focus on your senses. Take a walk in nature, listen to calming music, or savor a cup of tea, noticing the taste, aroma, and warmth. 3. Let go of attachments. Clinging to worries, regrets, or desires can burden your mind. Practice letting go and accepting what is. Remember, you can't control everything, but you can control your reaction to it. 4. Be present in the moment. Don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. Instead, focus on the present moment. Appreciate the simple joys around you and engage fully in the task at hand. Remember, emptying your mind isn't about achieving a state of complete blankness. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. By practicing mindfulness and the techniques mentioned, you can cultivate inner peace and experience the world with greater clarity and appreciation. Take a deep breath, let go of your worries, and allow yourself to be present in the moment. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, peace begins within.